Hi, my name is Sam. Let's learn together.
Sam, why aren't you telling your friends where you've been all this time? 2 summer months have already passed.
Oh, I'm so sorry, my dear friends. The past 2 months have been absolutely incredible. I went to the beach. I swam in the ocean. We had a water fight at the beach. I played frisbee. I admired the sunsets at the beach. I explored new places. I was at the fair. I fed the ducks in the park. I sailed on a boat along the river. I visited the zoo. I enjoyed watching the fireworks show. I went camping. I caught a big fish. We sat around the campfire and told stories. I roasted marshmallows over the campfire. I slept in a tent under the stars. I rode a bike. I had so much fun at the water park. We played board games. The weather was perfect for a picnic. I ate juicy watermelons. We enjoyed a barbecue with friends. Everyone loved the fresh lemonade I made. Blowing bubbles was so much fun. I splashed around in the rain. Gardening and planting flowers was so relaxing. I often slept outside in a hammock, enjoying the fresh air. Watching movies under the stars became our evening tradition. This is an unforgettable summer. How is your summer going? See you in the next episode. If you liked the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's learn together.